Hi guys, in this video I will be attempting a wash and go using the Camille Rose curl maker. Now, I don't have the greatest relationship with the curl maker. I find that it doesn't really work with my hair, but I just want to try it one last time or until I get it right. So we will see what happens when I use this alone on my hair to do a wash and go. So if you're interested in seeing the wash and go process with the curl maker, keep on watching. All right, so I just washed my hair and put my leave-in conditioner in the shower, and I will show you the leave-in conditioner that I used. So what I'm gonna do is start off by sectioning off my hair. I want to do 2 flat twists in the front, so I will do that, then get back to you when I am ready to do the wash and go in the back. I will be using the curl maker for the flat twists in the front. So like I said, I'll be back when that is completed. All right, so I finished the 2 flat twists. I will figure out how to put these in the wash and go, but until then I will start the wash and go process. I usually start things in the back of my hair, so I will take small pieces and just go from there. I think that it will give me decent definition, so let us see what really happens. And I'm really just going to put away the other section so that I can focus on the section I'm defining. I am scared because this gel has not worked for me in the past, but we will see what happens. Splitting the section in 2 again, just so that I can work in the smallest section that I feel comfortable with. And I'm just going to use 1 pump to start and finish off with another pump, if anything. It did say on the back to use a generous amount, but I don't know how generous I will get. One thing I must say about the curl maker is that it feels really nice going onto my hair. It has a lot of slip, it really does. So this is what it is looking like right now. I may use a little bit more water just to kind of define the curls. And then go in with my second pump. Alright, so this is what the first section is looking like with the 2 pumps plus the leave-in conditioner. Like I said, I am scared but we will see how it dries. And yes, that's what I'll be doing for the rest of my hair. So I will be back with the finished wet results. All right, y'all, so I have finished the back part of my hair, and honestly I think that I will like the results. I like how it has curled my hair, but I am kind of petrified about how it will dry. I think I used about this much gel, so there is that, and I will show you the wet results now. Right, so the only thing that I'm concerned about is the flaking. I know I did the flake test before I put the gel with the leave-in conditioner that I chose, but I don't want it to flake. But we will see how it turns out when I come back on camera and when it is obviously dry. So I will be back with the finished results. Alrighty, y'all, so it has been a week since I last checked in to show the results. My bad for not necessarily coming back to show the final dry results, and the reason I put dry in air quotes is because what I have experienced previously has once again happened, where my hair just feels kind of gummy and it feels as though the product isn't dry, but I know that my hair is dry. The front part of my hair is fully dry and it has the same Camille Rose curl maker in it, but for the wash and go in the back, I don't know what happened, but it still just has a lot of product in it. I don't know if that's what it's supposed to feel like, but I know some people have said that the gel has left their hair feeling very soft and very hydrated, and also it feels light and fluffy. So I don't know if this feeling here is what they're referring to, but I'm not used to that when it comes to gels. I'm used to not feeling any product on my hand whatsoever. So I don't know if it's the product combinations that I keep using, or just the mere fact that my hair doesn't like this specific gel, or also it may be the climate that I'm in as well. So I have absolutely no idea. However, what I will say is that my ends do look really nice. I was able to rock my hair in the wash and go for approximately 4 or 5 days before I decided to put my hair in this puff for the remaining 2 days. So I cannot complain about the definition on my ends, but when I do go to rub my fingers through my hair, there is a lot of product buildup on my fingers. If I do that now, you'll be able to kind of see product on my fingers. I don't know if you can tell now, but there is product on my fingers. So maybe it's because I'm not using it correctly, or I just need to use it in the shower. if you have used this Camille Rose curl maker for a wash and go and it turned out fine for you, your hair dried completely, let me know what you did in the comments, because I really want to like this gel. But if I don't, that's okay, because some products are just not meant to be liked by everyone. So again, I will show you the product on my fingers. I'm not sure if you can fully see, but if I do, like say, fluff out my hair as what I'm doing now, there is a lot of product residue, a decent amount of product residue on my fingers. So yes, this is my dry update before I wash my hair today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, definitely leave a like and definitely drop comments down below if this product has worked well for you, and share your tips in the comment section down below, because I'd love you to help a girly out, because I really want to like this gel. So let me know your tips in the comment section down below. And like I said, if you like this video, definitely leave a like, and if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. And share this video with someone who's interested in trying the Camille Rose curl maker but has no idea how it will work on their hair. This video will give them a different perspective to the curl maker, so definitely send this video to them. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.